Spectrum error code IA01 signals a startup or provisioning problem, meaning your cable box is struggling to connect to Spectrum's servers. As of September 2025, this is often due to firmware glitches, network issues, or less commonly, hardware faults. The first step is a simple power cycle. Unplug the cable box from the power outlet for a full 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This cold reboot often resolves the issue. While waiting, check that your coaxial cable is securely connected to both the box and the wall. If the error persists after the reboot, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Spectrum's mobile app offers advanced self-diagnostic tools to fix IA01. Open the Spectrum app on your smartphone or smart TV and navigate to the Support section. Navigate to the Support section in the app. Run the automated diagnostic test. The app may identify and resolve the problem automatically. If not resolved, use the app to initiate a provisioning reset. This resets the box's network settings without losing your personal data or recordings. If you don't have the app, you can try a manual reset through the cable box menu using your remote. Menu, Settings, Support, Run Diagnostics, though the app method is generally preferred. If the error continues after these steps, contact Spectrum support for further assistance.